So, hello students. In my previous videos, I have started with teaching the algebraic identities. So, in my first video, I have expressed uh, the concern with the teaching and learning process during the lockdown. You must study well because as this lockdown will continue and the uh, schooling process will be hampered, that is why you must be sure that you are uh, doing the studies, you are studying in the home regularly. So this is how I have started these videos and these online classes, and I am enjoying it and hope you also enjoy this solving the mathematics problem during your leisure hour. And uh, if you know mathematics very well, you will be able to do any kind of subjects, any kind like geography or science, chemistry, physics. Those will be very easy to understand. So today, again, I will start with the algebraic identities. That is the second identity. Identity number 2 we will discuss today. So the second identity, algebraic identity, most usually you have to remember this identity: a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So as all of you know now that the first identity is a plus b whole square and the second identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So this also you can do or prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side by multiplying this a minus b whole square. If you are expanding this like a minus b into a minus b, you will get a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now let us solve some problems on this. Suppose you are asked to expand this twice a minus 7 whole square. So here a is twice a and b is 7. You can write here a is twice a if you are using the identity 2 and b is 7. So you can now expand it by using this formula: a square minus twice ab plus b square. So in place of a square you must write twice a square minus 2 into twice a. B is 7. So A is twice A, B is 7 plus B square. B here in this problem, B is 7. So 7 square. Now you see that we have expanded it in the form of A square minus twice A into B plus B square. So what we will get? 2 2s are 4. So 2a into 2a is equal to 4a square minus 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. So 2 into 2 into 7 is equal to 20 into a plus 49. So this is the expanded form of this problem or the expansion of twice a minus 7 whole square. Now we'll see the second problem, that is if you are given with this, that is expand 7a minus 9b. So this is 7a minus 9b whole square. So here a is equal to 7a first term and second term is equal to 9b. So we can write a square means 7a square minus 2 into 7a into 9b plus 9b square. That means 7 square equal to 49, a square minus 2 into 7 into 9, that is 2 into 7 equal to 14, 14 into 9 is equal to 126, 126 a plus 81 b square. So this is the expanded form. Now, third problem is see by taking fractional in the binomial. If we are taking a term in fraction, then suppose you are asked to expand this 3a minus half whole square. So here a is equal to 3a and b is equal to half. So what we get now, if we expand this, then write 3a square minus 2 into 3a into half plus half square. So this is equal to 9a square. Now this is 2 in the numerator, 2 in the denominator will get cancelled. So this is equal to 3a plus 1 by 2 whole square. So you multiply 1 ones are 1 divided by 1, 2 twos are 4. So this is the expanded form. So hope you have understood the application of the identity, which is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We'll solve two more couple of problems on this identity so that you will understand better. So let us go to the next problem, that is expand 6x square minus 5y. This is the fourth problem. So we'll see now 6x square minus 5y whole square is equal to, now we can write a square, that is 6x square square minus 2 into 6x square into 5y plus 5y whole square. So dear students, here the a term is equal to 6a square and b term is equal to 5y. So you can see here, this is, we have written a square, this is minus twice ab and this is b square. Hope that this is now clear, that a minus b, this is a minus b whole square. So you can see a minus b whole square, how we have expanded it in the form of a square minus twice ab plus b square. So hope now you have understood clearly that what is the meaning of this expansion of the identity. And now we will see that what is this a square minus twice ab minus b square plus b square is coming, or we are getting the value. So 6 into 6 is equal to 36. X square of square, x square into x square is equal to x raised to the power 4 minus 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 12 into 5 is equal to 60. X squared into y plus 5 5s are 25. So, dear students, if you want to do algebra very quickly, if you want to solve the algebraic problems very quickly, you should be able to remember all the tables so that you can do the multiplication very quickly. Now, let us go to this problem. A squared minus b squared whole squared. How you will expand this? A squared squared, a squared square minus twice a squared into b squared plus b squared into square. So a squared into a square. This is what a square square means, a square into a square, that is a raised to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to the power 4. So this is how you can apply the second identity and solve the problems or expand the algebraic expressions by using the identities. Now, I will go to the third identity, that is the three most important identities which the student should always remember are. I have finished the two identities. Now I will go to the third identity. So third algebraic identity, that is, this is the easiest identity. You will find this very easy to learn. So this is a plus b, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, or we can write a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Both ways you can write this identity. So if you are given with the problem, that is, apply this identity in this problem, like if we start with some simple, this is the simplest identity, like if you are asked to multiply these binomials plus 2 by 3n, you are asked to multiply these binomials 3 by 2m minus 2 by 3n. So if this kind of multiplication of the binomials are given, as soon as you see these binomials, we should be able to understand that this is the application of identity 3. So directly you can write this is equal to a square minus b square 2 by 3n square. So here you can see that a is equal to 3 by 2m and b is equal to 2 by 3n. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can directly here write that 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4 m square minus 4 by 9 m square. So you see that how the things are becoming very easy. Multiplication is becoming very easy if you are applying the third identity. Similarly, suppose you are given to multiply this kind of binomial. Suppose 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. So see, this is clearly a plus b into a minus b. So you can write now that 2x squared minus 3y squared. So this is equal to 4x squared minus 9y squared. So the multiplication is becoming very easy if you are applying this third identity. That is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So by applying this identity, we will now see that what is the application of this identity. Suppose you are given that solve this or find the value of 51 squared minus 49 squared. So as soon as you see this, you apply the third identity, that is 51 plus 49 into 51 minus 49. Have you understood? Here A is equal to 51 and B is equal to 49. So A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So here what you will get? 51 plus 49 is equal to 100 into 51 minus 49 is equal to 2. So the answer is 200. Now you see that how easily you can find the value of this kind of problems by applying the identities. Suppose you are given this 983 square minus 17 square. So now A plus B 983 plus 17 into 983 minus 17. So what will be this answer? So 983 plus 17 is equal to 1000 into 983 minus 70 is equal to 966. So this will be equal to 966,000 or 9,66,000. This is the answer. So very easily we can find out the value of this kind of problems. Let us solve one more problem so that you will understand all kind of problems. Suppose this is given 1.02 square minus 0.98 square is equal to how much? So 1.02 plus 0.98 into 1.02 minus 0.98. This is equal to 2 into 0.04, or the answer is 0.08. So nicely you have seen whether the fraction is given, numbers are given, or the decimals are given. You can solve this kind of problems very easily by using the third identity. So dear students, I hope you have understood these problems, and you have also can now remember that what is the three identities and how to apply them. So let us now start with the first identity and its application. First identities, applications, and thereby we will also revise these first identity, second identity, and the third identity. So what was the first identity? That is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now suppose you are given a problem, that is solve or find the value of value of 103 whole square. So how you will expand this 103 whole square? So 103 means 100 plus 3. So easily you can write 103 means 100 plus 3. So 103 square means what? 100 plus 3 whole square. That is, now we expand by using the identity, that is a square plus twice ab, that is 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. So what we will get here? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus this will be 200 into plus 600 plus 9. So what will be the answer? 10609. So very easily by applying the identity, you can find the value of 103 square. So now the second problem, that is find the value of 71 square. So what is 71? 71 is equal to 70 plus 1. So you will have to see the nearest number which you can round off. So 71 is equal to 70 plus 1. Now you can write this, expand this like this. 71 square means 70 plus 1 square. 71 square is equal to 70 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 70 square plus 2ab. 70 into 1 plus 1 square. So you can put the dot also, or you can put the multiplication sign also. Anything will do. So 70 square is equal to 4900 plus 140 plus 1. So the answer is equal to 5041. So very easily you can find out the values of any square of any number by using these identities. Now let us go to the now application of the second identity. That is, the second identity is second identity. Just now we have studied a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So you see these applications. Suppose you are asked to find out the square of 998. So for 998 you can write 1000 minus 2 whole square. So you should be little alert to see the number and find out what can be subtracted or added to those numbers. So this is a square minus twice. Here a is 1000 and b is 2. So 2 square, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is equal to 10 lakhs minus 2000. 2 into 1000 is 2000. 2000 into 2 is equal to 4000 plus 4. So if you are calculating, you will find the answer as 996,004. This is the value of this 998 square. Now let us see one complicated problem by using the second identity. Suppose you are asked to find out 8.9 square. So this you can do by 9 minus 0.1 whole square. Okay. So this is equal to 9 square minus 2 into 9 into 0.1 plus 0.1 square. Okay. So 2ab plus b square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 9 nines are 81 minus 2 nines are 18. 18 into 0.1 is 1.8 plus 0.01. So you do now 81.01 minus 1.8, that is equal to that is equal to 79.21. So see how easily we can get the squares of any number, whether big number, small number, decimal numbers, any numbers can be square of any numbers can be found out by using the both identities, identity number 1 and identity number 2. Now we will see that how can you find out by applying the third identity. Very easy problems like this. That is, if you are asked to find out, suppose this is the third problem I'm doing, 78 into 82. How will we find this 78? Nearest number is 80 minus 2, 80 plus 2. How you can find out the nearest number and where you can multiply and subtract the same number. You can see 78 means 80 minus 2 into 80 plus 2. So here A is equal to 80, A is equal to 80, B is equal to 2. So you have got what? A minus B into A plus B. That is equal to A square minus B square. What is A square? A square is 80 square. What is B square? It is 2 square. So what you will get? 3600 minus 4. So what is the value of 3600? Sorry, not 3600. 8 8s are 64. So 6400 minus 4 is equal to 6396. This is the answer. So very easily in any competitive exam, if you are appearing, you will get this kind of problems you may get. So you should be able to solve this kind of problems very easily by using the algebraic identities. So we must now remember that how many identities we have learned and how their applications can be done. So first one is equal to a plus b whole square equal to how much? Second one is a minus b whole square equal to how much? And third one is a square minus b square equal to how much? Or a plus b into a minus b equal to how much? So now you can expand all these kind of forms of, if you are remembering all these three identities, you can solve any kind of problems which are related to these identities. You can expand, you can find the values, you can do anything, and hope you will now do from your exercise, textbook exercise. And if you have any doubts, if you want to know anything, you can write it in the comment section and it will be answered with your queries. And if you are liking this channel, you can subscribe this channel to know about more mathematics and how to solve the algebraic problems. For today, this is over and I will go to my next video. So you just try, do not forget to see my next video. Okay, bye.